How to fix low call volume on iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Look for the vertical volume slider and swipe up to increase the call volume. If this doesn't work, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap Touch, then scroll down and select Call Audio Routing. Make sure the automatic option is selected. If this doesn't fix the problem, stay in the Settings app and go to Accessibility again. Scroll to the Hearing section and tap Hearing Devices. Find Hearing Aid Compatibility and turn on the toggle. Go back to the Hearing section and tap Audio Visual. Scroll down to Voice Isolation and turn off the toggle next to it. If the issue still continues, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, then release it. After your iPhone restarts, make a call to check if the call volume has improved. If it still doesn't work, it might be a hardware issue and you should contact an Apple store for assistance. And that's it.